Good morning. Today is 4th August, English video session for the class 6. We are in the story, Who Did Patrick's Homework? A regular study, reading is required. You need to do a loud reading every day, at least for 15 minutes. How much ever time? Twice, thrice. These paragraphs need to be reading. Okay? Yes. Let's start with you remember he was not ready to do maths. Who? The elf. Yes. What happened next? And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Question mark. What is all these things? You don't know. Who? Our elf. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. What is the meaning? You simply must guide me means I don't know anything. You tell me, I will do. Is that clear? I don't know 2 into 2 is equal to what? I don't know how to write. You tell me, and how to write also you tell me. Then what is the purpose of the elf? Understood, children? What the elf is demanding? Because elf don't know anything. He promised that he will do homework so that he will get rid of that cat. But basically he don't know how to. He has not gone to school. He don't know alphabets. He don't know dictionary. He has absolutely zero knowledge on learning. Under this situation, how can he help Patrick? Okay. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. You cannot. I am not able to have any understanding on these things. You just guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. What is this human history? Science, eyes, nose. We do know. Don't you learn about the heart? What don't you know about the skin? You learn eyes, iris, then all the parts of the eyes. You draw it. Is it not? The science teachers draw the picture of the eyes. Draw the picture of the skeletal body. Remember, so human history is science, but you don't know anything. It's a mystery. Mystery means what? Mystery is not understandable. It is not revealed. It is like a secret for him. You don't know anything about it. Mystery. Okay, unrevealed things. Okay, something hidden. We don't do all these things. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Shouter means what? The one who never talks. He only shouts. He shouts. Okay, he never has any sort of calmness because he don't know anything and he don't want to be with Patrick also. He want to run away. But unfortunately, he gave a promise. You remember, 35 days I will be with you and do the homework. So whatever it is that he has to say. So he's shouting loudly. Imagine, children, how much irritation a Patrick will have. This fellow, he promised to help. He is first of all not helping. He is shouting. He is crying. He is demanding. Get book, get book. Say it louder. If he says little less voice, tell it louder. Write and show me. Show me that. Show me this. In fact, he is like a teacher. Patrick is only teaching everything to this creature. Go to the library. I need books. Listen. As if it can read well. He is asking him to go to the library. More and more books. Not one book, two books. And what should you do? You can help me to read them too. That is wonderful. You get books. And who? You will read. Patrick will read and tell me what is the content of the book. How is the story, children? Wonderful. Understood, children? That is what we always say. Your work you should only do. Can your father read for you English? Can your mother do English for you? You should only sit and study. Can someone take your work? No. Your work, your food, will you give it to others? That alone you want for yourself, no? You don't want to share your cake. You don't want to share your biscuits and chocolates. But this sort of studies and all you don't want to do. You want somebody else to do, children. Patrick is like that only. Patrick wants all the good things. See, football, hockey, everything he wants to happily do. But when it comes to homework, when it comes to exams, when it comes to writing the classwork, he cries. He don't want to do it. Okay, that is why he took the help of elf. But is the help helping? Elf is creating more trouble than before. Is it not? Yes. Now I'll read, listen carefully. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Children, where does these things come? In which subject do they come from? They come in mathematics. Very good. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. You simply must guide me in what? Step by step. First write 2, then write put plus, then write, like even the simple steps you have to guide me. This is what the elf is telling Patrick. And you should tell the answer also. You add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 you have to write, plus you have to write, other 2 also you have to write, equal to you have to write, answer also you have to write. Then what is the point in helping? Yes, elves know nothing of human history. Elves don't read about eyes, ears, heart, skeletal system. They don't study. Why should I study? Why should I know? So it's all a mystery. That's all. A mystery means what? It is a secret type. It is not revealed. We don't read all those things. Why should we go behind the human history? Okay, what is human history? Science. Okay, so the elf already a shouter. Usually he's never a calm person. He shouts. Why does he shout? Because he's not interested in his work. He hates the work that is given by elf. He wanted to get rid of that work. Okay, shouter is now louder. Louder means what? The voice is too much high. When you don't like something, how do you loudly say no, no, like that? Okay, and he's demanding, go to the library. Who should go to the library? Patrick should go to the library. He should then read books and he should need more and more books. And what should he finally do? He should also help him to tell what he read. Help him read the book, help him tell the meaning of the book, help him tell the content of the book. Okay, all the things who should do? Patrick should do for whom? Our elf. Or elf should do for Patrick. Sorry, Patrick should help for this one. But initially the condition was the elf said, I will do, I will do, I will do, I will do. But now it is not able to do any work, but it is expecting all the work from whom? It is expecting all the work from Patrick itself. It is not able to do any work by himself. Is that clear to you what the story goes about? Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and the elf was free to, as a matter of fact, every day in. Okay. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, was that little elf was a nag. Nag means what, children? What is a nag? Troublesome. Okay, nag is something to do with troublesome. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, in whatever way, the elf was a nag. It was a trouble. Look at the exclamation mark that is after nag. Okay, Patrick was working harder than ever and it was a drag. What is a drag? He was feeling very dull and very tired. In fact, he was very tired, dragging, tiring. Okay, he was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Look what happened. Patrick is going to school the next day. How is his eyes? Big swollen eyes. The eyes are swollen. Why are the eyes swollen? Imagine you didn't sleep in the night. Next day, how is your eyes? Puffed. Puffed, swollen. Okay, blurry, not clear. You feel very dull. The eyes are very dull. That is why they say, no, go to bed early. They say, no, in your house, Your mother says, don't stay up too much in the night. You have to go to bed. You have to go to bed by 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. You get to get up early in the morning. You have to go to school. Your mother says, is it not? Like that. Patrick was working even harder every night because there are a lot of things to be done. The time is just going flying. Okay, and this particular elf is asking that, this and all, and he was gone. It was not he is staying up in the night, reading, writing and telling for whom? This elf. You got the point? What is happening actually? Yes. Okay. I'll read again, underline these words, children. Nag, underline, drag, weary, puffed, bleary. Please write the words said at least 5 times in your class work. And you have to read this paragraph. Till this paragraph you have to read it. One already I have read. No. Every day you have to read. Is that clear to you? Okay. Will you read? Yes. We will see with the next paragraph in the next class. Is that okay for you, children? Okay. Keep safe. Be happy. Read. Okay, children. Thank you.